Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a update for Firefox. If you're on Firefox, we have moved to version 153, and Firefox 153.0.1 has been released today. So if you go to your Firefox browser, upper right hamburger menu, go down to Help and About Firefox, you will be at version 153.0.1. One of the major fixes in this new update is a fix for a crashing browser at startup. This happened only in Windows, and the fix for those that were on 153.0 from Mozilla was, well, just download Firefox again and reinstall it. But now they have fixed it with this update. They also fixed a few other bugs, including one where the audio on streaming services, when you would pause and then restart your audio, the audio would be very low. So these are a few of the things that have been fixed in here. Of course, when you do the update and when you check the update, you can go and check what's new. There's always a list of everything that is in there. So these are the fixed items. Fixed new tab page background flashing a few seconds. A crash that could occur when a page loaded on the frame using JavaScript address, and so on. So there's a few little things in there. No security updates. Really just bug fixes for Firefox 153 in here. So check it out if you have issues, and it will update anyways by itself if you are a Firefox user. You enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.